Eric and I going back and forth with dad jokes. Now, Eric, you have the advantage of you have a child.
Yes, Max.
You also hate anything I do.
Yes.
Like Eric
everything.
is the biggest hater of everything IJ ever. You don't think anything I do is funny?
No.
Okay. As your defending champion, Eric.
Not really.
But, well, no. But I am, though. I will go. I'll second again. I'll let you go first.
Oh,
Riley and Rose are the judges. It's the first person that makes an audible noise is the loser.
Yeah.
Eye contact is a must. As always, you can suggest jokes to us, too. 99338 to text. All right, Eric. Lay it on me, baby.
What is a highlighter's favorite twister position?
I don't know what.
Neon yellow.
Okay.
He laughed. Hoodie.
Get it.
That's funny.
I get it.
That's hoodie, though.
Neon
That's
yellow.
hoodie. Doesn't count.
Buddy.
That's a good one, though.
Hey, Eric.
Yes.
How many times did I fail math in school?
Let's say.
I can't even count.
Okay.
We're going there. Okay. You know what?
Yes, we are going there.
We might get in trouble with this joke.
Is it because you can't count?
No.
What do you mean we might get in trouble
We
with
might
this
get,
joke?
we
All
might
right.
get in trouble with this joke.
All right.
Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
What does every Tickle Me Elmo get before they leave the factory?
Oh, God. Oh, God. Don't.
Eric.
I know the
I
answer
need
to
you to be
this.
careful.
I know the
What
answer
is it?
to this.
What?
2 testicles.
Oh, because they test it out to make sure it works. Got it. Okay. Yep.
Goodness.
Hey,
I
Eric.
want to win, all right?
Hey, Eric.
Yes, John.
How do you get a country girl's attention?
How?
A tractor.
That's kind of cute.
Oh, okay.
Good.
All right. Yeah.
Bit
That's
of,
good.
bit of wordplay.
Yeah,
That's what
yeah,
that
That's
was.
good.
Yeah.
That was good.
Thank you, Rose.
I like that.
Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
I don't know what.
Ground beef.
It's not bad.
Ay, ay, ay.
Why do you sound so sad saying it?
It's not bad.
I
mean,
thought
just-
I'd change up the inflection. Maybe because, it's got no
Brown
legs.
beef.
Cow.
Hey, Eric.
Hey, John.
Why did I trip over a woman's bra?
I don't know.
It was a booby trap.
Oh, God.
Stop it. Right.
My goodness.
A-
All
A
right.
booby.
Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
What do
though.
you call cheese by itself?
I don't know what.
Provolone.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Nice.
Man. Darn it.
This one.
Season.
Hey, Eric.
Yes, John.
What did Yoda say when he saw himself in 4K?
What?
HDMI.
Oh, my God. You're a twerp.
Wow.
Look at his face right now.
Oh, come on. That was so
He
close.
wanted to laugh so
It
bad.
was, but then
Wow.
He wanted to laugh.
All right,
HDMI.
let's hope I don't butcher this one.
Well, that's a good way to start.
Well,
Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
Why does Spider-Man always have such great comebacks?
I don't know why.
Because with great powers come great response ability.
I roll.
Okay.
no.
Hey, Eric.
Yes, John.
What happened to the man who overdosed on Viagra?
Really? What?
It's the hardest day of his life.
Hey, John. I changed my phone's name to Titanic.
Why?
It's sinking now.
Oh, come on, man. Too soon.
Wow.
Too soon.
It was a little.
Too
It was
soon.
just a little too soon.
Too soon, man. Hey, Eric.
Yes, John.
What do you call an ugly dinosaur?
Oh, God.
What?
An eyesore.
Huh?
Okay.
Because it's an eyesore.
All right, here we go. Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
What are supermarkets in the afterlife called?
I don't know what.
Heaven 11.
That's kind of cute.
John, really?
Oh, now the belt's going to get all greasy again.
Yeah, learn what? Look at the belt now. Look what's going on.
Enjoy it.
All right.
Oh, wow.
You're
That's
dad
the
joke
one that
out
got
champion.
you.
Heaven 11.
Oh, no.
All right.
Heaven 11.
Wow.